Hello and welcome back to the live short-term trade setups for 27th of August 2019. We just completed dollar index and let's do some wave counts for gold. Believe it or not, gold is very close to forming a top, but at this point in time, it still remains a question whether the top has been formed or there still remains to be one more shot to go. Let's look into the probabilities now. It's not very certain, very clear at this point in time, but at least we know that there could be one more high, so let's be prepared for that. To continue from where we left, that was wave E of the triangle. If it is an ABC corrective rally, then wave C looks to be something like this. One, two, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So wave 3. Wave 4. And then you have, let's count the fifth wave as well. That is 1, probable wave 2, wave 3, 4. This could be the fifth wave. Or, let me type in here, fifth higher. $15, $80, $85. And here the pattern on the daily chart yesterday looks to be like a pin bar, which is a potential change in the trend, but that is only 50% probability when you have a pin bar. It's not a certainty. If you would want to have that certainty, then at least allow the first support to be taken out, which is close to 1493, 94, or just about the 1500 mark. Let that support be taken out, and then we might be more confident about a potential top being formed. At the moment, it looks to be like the C wave getting completed. If it is going to be an ABC consolidation, this is what is the overall structure. Since 2015, and we are here somewhere. So if that is an A, B, and C, we are very close to wave C. And if it is W, X, and Y, then we are close to maybe the first wave of Y. In any case, the most common output could be at least a drop towards 1400 mark or a major bearish reversal. Why 1400? You might want to take a retracement of the entire rally that began from 1266. So at least expect a drop at least towards the 1444 and 1410 if it is wave B within wave Y, and then there could be one more push which can take prices above 1555. But if it is an ABC, alright, then a major top might have formed here, or it could be forming just around the 1580-85 mark, and that should be the end of the corrective rally which began in 2015. Here it is on the weekly chart, please. This was a 2015 November December low, and this is exactly the structure that I was talking to you on the daily chart. The first leg, and then a triangle, A B C D E, and then the last leg. If you look at the Fibonacci ratios, then the extension of the first leg of the counter trend rally clearly shows that the first target was 1500, which was comfortably achieved, and the second target, the 61.8%, might be close to 1578. Now it remains to be seen if it goes straight from here or it dips lower a bit, maybe towards 1480, and then last leg rally into 1575, 1580 mark. Interestingly, if we compress the chart and go back in time even further, maybe we can go on a monthly chart if yes, and if we take a retracement of the entire drop from 1900 mark until 1046-47, which was 5 waves, the retracement of the entire drop is coming around 1585, 1587. There you go. Which is probably coinciding with your upside target as well. Let's do it again here. There you are. 1578 and 1585. There is a kind of Fibonacci convergence. It's not a certainty that prices might go exactly and hit there, but most probably if you see a convergence, then that is a point where you can expect major turnaround. Alright, so please watch out for a reversal. We're not very sure on a short-term time whether the reversal is there or not, because the drop from 1555 levels are still corrective in nature. 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, probably A, B, and C. Another count is maybe this wave 1. We have a tiny little wave 2, wave 3 is under progress, 1 of 3, 2 of 3. So if we see 5 waves movement, 5 waves drop from here, that is 1555, we will come to know very shortly when prices break below 1490 or so. If you see 5 waves drop, that is a time to prepare to sell on rallies from there on. Alright, otherwise there are all possibilities of one more chance or one more probability for prices to push higher towards maybe 1570, 1580 mark before reversing sharply. Alright, this is the scenario for gold. I'll be back again in a few minutes with another chart update, and kindly stay tuned, and good luck for your trade setups. Goodbye.